This is the critical bit here. It should start to thicken. Keep and mix in the figure of 8 fashion. Avoid stuff sticking to the bottom and getting burnt. So what sort of texture do you think should I have now?
Nothing yet. Oh,
nothing. Well, presumably it's thickening.
Don't get it up the sides,
and don't get up the sides. Mm. Well, yeah, it's beginning to thicken up now.
Yeah. Nice.
Mm-hmm. Can you tell anything from the texture on the spoon then?
Yeah.
Oh, it begins a bit stringy. It becomes stringy to the spoon.
That's about it, alright.
That's about it. We're getting near there. Turn the heat off.
Yeah.
Turn the heat off and mix vigorously.
Right.
Right.
Pause.
Pause. What are we waiting for now?
Well, we're waiting for it to cool a bit. Then you can put the
We'll have to wait till it cools. Well, turn it off then.